Hello friends, welcome to my channel of more and more food, flavor, color and celebration. Assalamu alaikum and namaste. I hope you all are doing super और आपकी दुआ से I am doing super fantastic. So here this is 1 cup sabudana which I had soaked overnight, 2 big size potatoes, okay, and to this I'm adding 1 teaspoon lemon juice, chopped coriander stem, 2 green chilies finely chopped and little ginger finely chopped. Peanuts crushed, around 3 tablespoons I've added, 1 teaspoon salt, some pepper powder, 1 teaspoon crushed chili flakes. I'm adding some whole zira. You can add 1 teaspoon roasted zira powder here. I'm adding 1 teaspoon chaat masala. We will mix all this. So we are making today a fantastic Sabudana Waffle Dahiwali Chaat. Friends, ahead you will see that I'll make this in the waffle maker. It's an oil-free recipe. So Sabudana Waffle Dahiwali Chaat is a very new recipe on the YouTube. You must have seen a lot of Sabudana waffle recipe, but making a Dahiwala chaat out of this is being made for the very first time. Very simple, very easy, fantastic Navratri Special recipe this is. You can also prepare this for iftar. Best part about this recipe is it's oil free. We will use little oil to brush the waffle pan. That's it. 1 tablespoon green chutney. You can add any green chutney that you have. Friends, on the channel there is stuffed sabudana vada recipe. I will leave the link on the screen. Do check it out. You can also grate and add paneer in this, carrot. So multiple options are there. Okay. So I'm just going to make ball. If you want to add more potato, you can add more potato and less of sabudana. Okay, it's up to you. फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये ज़रूर से बनाना है बिकॉज साबूदाना वड़ा तो आपने डीप फ्राई किया है. इस तरह से बना के देखिए और इसकी दही वाली चाट बनाइए, आप बहुत इंजॉय करेंगे. सो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ माय अनदर रमदान परचेज. ओके, आई गॉट दिस एट अ वेरी गुड डील एंड द मोमेंट आई saw that the price has come down, I immediately went for it. So in this you get very small waffles. Small waffles you get, of which we will be making the very delicious Sabudana Waffle Dahiwala Chaat. Very simple recipe. Just little oil to brush that grill pan. Just after putting that sabudana ball inside, you have to press it little from the top, and it cooks very well. It's just that it doesn't become very dark pink in color. और चलिए अब देखते हैं. And if you want this to be little crispy, then let it stay at least for 3 to 4 minutes. That much time is required. That is what I realized. When वो ready होता है, let's make the chaat. Now to make the delicious sabudana waffle dahiwala chaat, okay, I have here onion, tomato, green mango, chili, everything chopped and added in this. Okay, I'm going to Put it here. Dahi on top. So this is a sweet curd that I have made. Okay. Some green chutney. Some tamarind chutney. Some save. If you like more, add more. Some more topping. That's it. Delicious waffle chaat is ready. So this is my Navratri special. Do try this out, okay? And also Ramadan special. I hope you will enjoy this. This is a very new kind of recipe, first time on YouTube. A lot of recipes are there for Sabudana waffle, but Sabudana Waffle Dahiwali Chaat is first time on YouTube. If you have liked this recipe, don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe. Take very good care of yourself. Be safe, be happy, keep smiling. Good food, good mood. And until we meet next, don't forget to eat, love and pray. Bye.